What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Social Cut. I'm Steve. Thanks for watching, fellas. I'm back. I know it's been a few months. I feel like we do this every few months. I get in a row of doing videos and I stop. You know, a lot of things have been going on in the shop. Anyways, I'm back. I want to get back in the groove of things and start making more videos again, guys. All right, so let's just get straight into it, fellas. Today, we're going to go over how to comb slick back hair. I get a lot of comments on here and on my social media about how do you style specific hairstyle. Common thing is, guys love it when I comb their hair in the shop. When they go home, try to replicate the way I comb their hair and they just can't do it. They come back and how do you do it? How do you do it? So I'm going to give you guys a quick little tutorial on how to do a slick back hair. Yeah, make sure you guys follow and subscribe to my channel. Let me know what other hairstyles you guys want me to give you guys a tutorial on how to style. All right, guys, so let's get into it. First things first, fellas, you want to make sure you're using the right hair product. I see this all the time where guys can follow the way I comb their hair to a T and it still won't come out the same because they're using the wrong product. So I recommend using a water-based pomade. This makes sure it has a right amount of hold, has some shine to it without having to look like crusty or stiff like if you're using gel. And of course, I'm using the Social Cut pomade, which has the right amount of hold and shine, so it doesn't look super shiny, it doesn't look super stiff, but has the right amount of hold. It's still pliable where you can still use a comb if you need to restyle it. Now, what you want to do next is with your finger, grab about a quarter size of pomade. You want to spread it evenly throughout your hands and then run it through your hair, but just using your fingers. I see a lot of guys, what they do is they press pretty hard on their head, and that's just gonna make your hair look really flat. So you wanna just massage it with your fingertips to get the product down to the root of the hair. Now you're gonna use the wider tooth side of the comb to comb the top of your hair, and you're not gonna press hard. Again, you're gonna comb your hair with a upward direction and back. And you want to use this softly. If you have thicker hair, you can be a little more firm with it. But again, the secret here is not to press down on it. The smaller tooth side of the comb, you're going to use that to comb the side of the hair. So there you can be more aggressive and actually comb the hair down, press a little bit firmer, so you get a nice sharp look on the sides. And with practice, you should get the hang of this pretty quick. And it shouldn't take you longer than a minute to be able to comb your hair just like this. So there you have it, fellas, how to comb your hair slick back. Hopefully you guys enjoy these tips on how to style your hair back. I want to do more videos, tutorials on how to comb your hair. If there's a particular hairstyle you want to know how to comb, how to style, let me know, guys. Put it in the comment box below. Show some love, fellas. If you guys enjoyed this video, thumbs up. Social media, follow me at The Social Cut. And as always, fellas, subscribe to my channel. Alright, let's see you next time.
This train, years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing